Hey guys, Armin here, and today I want to talk about PC building. So I've been interested on building my own PC for quite some time now, and after tons of practice, and by practice I mean watching tons of YouTube videos on how to build one, I finally got an opportunity to build one. Well, a decent one at least. The opportunity came when one of my friends sold me one of their unit in their internet shop, and I was stoked about it considering the price he offered me, so I bought it. Of course, after asking him a ton of questions regarding the parts. So when I got the unit, this PC is rocking an Asrock N68C UCC. With it is an Athlon dual-core 245 CPU, 4GB of DDR2 memory, an HDD 6570 GPU from Radeon from AMD, and a 500GB storage from Seagate. You think I'm exaggerating by saying this, but this is a pretty crappy PC, so using my PC building knowledge and through watching YouTube videos, I will make this PC less crappy. Get it? Less crappy. I named my PC Scrappy because it's less scrap. You know what? Whatever. Starting with the CPU, I know for a fact that my motherboard can run an AM3 processor, so that's what I did. I find the best budget AM3 socket processor out there and found this. This is a Phenom II quad-core 960p. You can say it is on par with AMD's Ryzen 3 1200, but the interesting part of this CPU is that even if it said quad-core or X4 on its name, you can actually unlock it to run 6 cores. I don't know how they did it, but there's that. For short, it could run faster than a Ryzen 3 1200 if I want to do, which is I will never gonna do because it might damage my CPU without proper cooling. Okay, next is memory. I upgraded the memory to 8GB using two 4GB RAM sticks. Nothing special besides nothing really special about it. I also upgraded my storage to a 120GB ADATA SSD for faster boot time, and unfortunately my 500GB Seagate died, and of course, new case. Believe it or not, I built this PC for only 8,000 pesos. I would not recommend building a PC out of scraps, but in my case where I only borrowed money from my parents. Because let's be real, PC parts nowadays are hella expensive, and I have to learn all of this stuff and research all of this stuff to maximize the budget that was given to me. This PC isn't really built for gaming. I intended it to be a decent workstation for editing and for schoolwork. I could game on it if I wanted to, but I have to do it in low or normal settings. So let me present to you the Scrappy 1.0. I had fun building this PC and I learned a lot of stuff along the way, so if you enjoy this kind of content, be sure to subscribe to my channel, link at the caption, and peace.